If you're looking for a way to make cool USDT or dollars in your account, this platform is actually going to help you earn free USDT into your account. So currently, as you can see, I have 2.64 USDT in this particular account. So if you're also into cryptocurrency and you want to stake some coins for yourself, you can try this particular app or this particular website to stake some cool USDT in your external wallet. So first thing first, let me try to log out and show you guys how this is done. Check under the description of this particular video. There is a link there which is going to help you start with the process on this platform. So once you get here, just tap on get started and click on register. So this is the registration process. First thing first, input in your email address here. Go ahead and enter a login password for yourself and confirm this password at this section here. Now provide a security password. Of course, you are going to use this security password whenever you want to make a withdrawal, and confirm this security password at this section. The invitation code will be given to you for free out here once you are using the link under the description of this particular video. If you prefer to use a mobile number, just input or click on the mobile here and fill in the details with the same credentials. So make sure to click on register button here and it's going to take you through the registration process. All right, so once you click on register, it's going to take you here. This is the overview of the platform. So currently you can see I am on active contracts here, meaning I have staked a particular coin. So you can also go ahead and stake a coin on this platform. So I'll show you how this is done, how you can stake, how you can withdraw, recharge, and many more. So first thing first is for the recharge button. So in case you want to recharge any of your USDT from external wallet to this platform, the first thing you need to do is just click on recharge button here. Once we click on recharge, it's going to tell you or show you the options to recharge your coin into this particular account. So you have the BIP20 USDT, you have the TRX, you have the BNB, you have the TRC20 USDT, you also have the BIP20 USDC. So all you need to do is to just copy the address here and send it to your external wallet. Make sure to select the amount you want to deposit into this particular account and then proceed with the process. Once you are done, your money is going to reflect in your account within 1 to 3 minutes time. So once you have your money here, this is how you are going to stake on this platform. So you have the enter the pledge amount and the number of days you want to stake. So in case you input in, or in case you want to stake an amount of 30 USDT or 39, let's say 30 USDT, for how many days do you want to stake, or how many days do you want to pledge? So let's say I want to stake this 30 USDT for 15 days. So for the 15 days, this means that each and every single day, I am going to withdraw 3.6 USDT from this account. And at the end of the 15 days that I chose earlier, you are going to withdraw 54 USDT from this platform. Once you're cool with that, just click on the stake button here and automatically you are going to be on the active contract here, just as mine. All right, so this simply means each and every day you are going to make a withdrawal for yourself. Now, before I talk about the withdrawal aspects, you can go ahead and make a referrals on this platform. Now, once you make a referral, you are going to earn some cool commission for yourself. Now, with the referral aspect, with the level 1, once you refer someone and that same person also recharge on this platform, you are going to receive 10% commission. With the level 2, you're going to receive 3% commission, and with the level 3, you're going to receive 1% commission from this platform. Now all you need to do is just copy your link here and share it with your friends. Once they join the platform and also start making some stakes with the coin here, they're also going to earn some cool token for yourself. Now this is how the withdrawal is going to be. Now in order for you to withdraw money from this particular account, so I'll have a live withdrawal too as well. Just click on the withdrawal button here. All right, so I prefer to use the BIP20 USDT, but in case you want to use the TRX, you can select TRX from this session. So enter in the withdrawal address. I want to enter in, this is my withdrawal address. So I want to withdraw 2.6 for USDT, so 2.64 USDT, and go ahead and enter my security password. All right, so I'll enter my security password. Okay, click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's gonna show you withdraw success. All right, meaning my USDT has been withdrawn to my external wallet. So within some few minutes, you will see a Binance notification popping up here, which is gonna tell me I am actually trying to receive some little tokens into my Binance out there. Now, in case you have any problem with your account, so you can see the notices here, which means I'm trying to withdraw something from my Binance. Now, in case you have any problem, you want to contact the customer, just click on this icon here, and it's going to tell you to join their community on Telegram. You can chat with the customer service provider on Telegram. In case of any announcement, you can chat with them. And also, not only on Telegram, you can also chat with the customer service provider on WhatsApp too as well. Now, in case we want more details or more assistance other than the Telegram or WhatsApp, just go ahead and use the customer service tool in order for you to contact or communicate any of your problems with the customer provider out there. So this is how it actually works. So stake some cool USDT on this platform, and you're going to earn at the end of that duration you're going to set. So thank you very much for watching this particular video. Like it, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. And I hope to see you in my next